Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive movement. When you stop and think about the fact that the price started off the day down here, and now all of a sudden is sitting up in this range of the chart, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a nice move today. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 15 cents. Why is 15 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, let's say that the price comes down here to 15 cents. And I'm not saying it will, but if the price were to come down to 15 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price did come down here, however, in this situation, behaved in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once more in this situation, progress being defined as 15 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to squeeze down the chart here just a little bit so you can get a little bit more context. And the big level, which I think it might have been right where it was rejected, not quite, actually went slightly above it, but 17.5 cents is going to be public enemy number one going into Monday. You can see that's where these highs were from a few weeks ago there. And then, like I said, right there this afternoon is where the price got rejected from. So 17.5 cents, public enemy number one. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great volume, very nice price movement. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.